Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Anaconda is a popular open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for data science and machine learning projects. It comes with many pre-installed libraries and tools that are commonly used in the field, making it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. Among the tools included in Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook stands out as a powerful interactive environment for Python programming, data analysis, visualization, and collaboration. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Anaconda, setting up a Jupyter Notebook, and writing Python 3 code within it. We will also explore some basic functionalities and features of Jupyter Notebook along with code examples. Before starting this tutorial, you should have. The first step is to download and install Anaconda on your system. Follow these steps. Once Anaconda is installed, you can launch Jupyter Notebook from the Anaconda Navigator or from the command line. Using Anaconda Navigator. Using the command line, terminal or command prompt. This will open a new tab or window in your default web browser, displaying the Jupyter Notebook dashboard. To create a new notebook, follow these steps. Now you're ready to write Python code in your notebook. A new notebook consists of cells where you can enter and execute code. Here's an example of a simple Python code cell. To execute the code cell, you should see the output "Hello, World" printed below the code cell. Jupyter Notebook provides various features and functionalities to enhance your coding experience. Anaconda is a powerful open source distribution for Python that simplifies package management and deployment. Jupyter Notebook, on the other hand, is an interactive web-based tool that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of installing Anaconda, setting up Jupyter Notebook, and using Python 3 for data analysis and visualization. After installing Anaconda, you can launch Jupyter Notebook by following these steps. Windows, open the Anaconda Navigator, click on Home, and then click Launch under Jupyter Notebook. Mac/Linux, open a terminal and type Jupyter Notebook, then press Enter. This will open Jupyter Notebook in your default web browser. In the Jupyter Notebook dashboard, click on the New button and select Python 3 under the Notebook section. A Jupyter Notebook is made up of cells. There are two main types of cells, code cells and markdown cells. You can change the cell type by selecting a cell and choosing the cell type from the drop-down menu in the toolbar. To execute a code cell, select the cell and press Shift+Enter. The output, if any, will be displayed below the cell. Before we dive into examples, let's import some commonly used libraries. In a code cell, type. Run the cell to import these libraries. Let's create a simple data frame and perform some basic data analysis. Run the cell to display the data frame. Now, let's create a basic plot using Matplotlib. Run the cell to display the bar chart. Anaconda is a powerful distribution of the Python programming language that includes popular libraries and tools for data science and machine learning. Jupyter Notebook, an interactive computing environment, is a key component of Anaconda. This tutorial will guide you through the installation of Anaconda, the usage of Jupyter Notebook, and provide code examples in Python 3. This will open the Jupyter dashboard in your default web browser. A Jupyter Notebook consists of cells, which can be of two types, markdown or code. You can add new cells, delete cells, and move cells up or down. Markdown cells allow you to create formatted text using Markdown language. To change a cell to Markdown, Select the cell and choose Markdown from the toolbar. Example Markdown. Code cells contain Python code. To change a cell to code, select the cell and choose Code from the toolbar. Example code. Congratulations! You've completed the basic tutorial for Anaconda Jupyter Notebook with Python 3. Explore more features, libraries, and advanced topics to enhance your data science and coding skills. ChatGPT